Dogecoin Cost Investigation. As per our genuinely current Dogecoin cost forecast, the worth of Dogecoin will expanded by 241.97%, coming to 24 cents by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the really current opinion is negative, while the apprehension and insatiability list is perusing 29.77, and that implies intense trepidation. Our Dogecoin gauge, it's unsafe to sell Dogecoin at this moment. On walk 9, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while genuinely different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among Dogecoin cost expectations, or so they especially thought. See the kind of accurate Dogecoin cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount Dogecoin is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the by and large most recent 30 days, Dogecoin for the most part has really diminished by 29.34% in a for the most part significant manner. Because of this, we can get with the exception of an especially slight recuperation in the approaching month in an unobtrusive way. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Dogecoin expanded by 113.72% and came to approach around 14 cents. Presently, all pointers in a real sense are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list basically shows 29.77 intense feelings of dread. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Dogecoin. Presently, Dogecoin in a real sense is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Dogecoin selling signal, which is genuinely huge. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is right now running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will really hit $0.0786 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Dogecoin's transient 50-day SMA shows a $0.0848. The essentially relative strength file RSI energy oscillator is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money especially is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70 in an unpretentious way. RSI generally is as of now at or civilu. This demonstrates that the Doge market is in a purchase position, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Dogecoin came to $0.0928 when it dipped under $0.0693, interestingly since January 2021, or so they basically thought. As per the financial backers and market trades, Dogecoin is en route to passing the 14 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 14 cents, it might essentially break its characteristic of 74 cents and sort of reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Dogecoin will break its past all-time high of 74 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 14 cents soon in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, on 9 walk 2023, Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.0650, and its 24-hour exchanging volume in a real sense is around 505.46 M, and it makes number 9 money in the entire crypto world, which certainly is very critical. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that Dogecoin can get through the 17 cents boundary and especially hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The barely the least Dogecoin cost will explicitly be between 14 cents to 17 cents, and the most truly possible Dogecoin cost will be consistent at around 15 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Dogecoin's in every practical sense wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy use, very rich person adventure fundamentally entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Dogecoin will reach 17 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists sort of foresee that Doge will begin the year at 19 cents and exchange around 24 cents. As per their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with very last year in a significant manner. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. There essentially is an in every practical sense great possibility that Dogecoin 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not actually arrive at its normal most extreme 30 cents level. Dogecoin sort of is anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a record-breaking kind of high of 29 cents or 30 cents in 2026. And it could basically be the extended period of Dogecoin. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027 Dogecoin Value Forecast, or Doge, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Dogecoin's cost fundamentally is supposed to outperform 30 cents in 2027. It has been generally anticipated that Dogecoin will arrive at the greatest cost of 30 cents, and the extremely least cost is supposed to be around 25 cents in the following a long time from 2027. Dogecoin estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists really foresee say that Dogecoin value expectation and specialized examination, Dogecoin most certainly is supposed to cross a value level of 34 cents in 2028 amazingly. In the interim, Dogecoin is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of 31 cents this year. The most extreme cost may essentially reach 35 cents. In an unpretentious manner, Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Dogecoin Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation anticipate that the expense of Dogecoin will sort of reach 48 cents. And the cost of Doge ought to reach 48 cents before the year's over. What's more, Doge can reach up to 44 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Dogecoin development, which is very critical. Doge Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030. Dogecoin value expectation especially are supposed to cross the 66 cents normal cost level, as indicated by Dogecoin estimate and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Dogecoin's sort of least cost is supposed to be 63 cents in an especially significant manner. Moreover, Doge can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 68 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, Dogecoin will have a typical cost of 68 cents. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2031 Dogecoin cost in a real sense is assessed to reach 89 cents by 2031, at truly least. With a typical exchanging cost of 92 cents all through 2031, Dogecoin's worth could come to 93 cents at its most elevated, which basically is very huge. The experts in a real sense anticipate that the greatest cost should sort of exchange around 92 cents. Dogecoin estimate 2032 of every 2032. Dogecoin will in a real sense attempt to arrive at the most minimal degree of $1.22, which explicitly is genuinely critical. It might attempt to in a real sense get the greatest and exceptionally next top level of $1.26, with the extremely normal gauge cost of $1.25. It might be what will be the least cost of Dogecoin in future, up to 14 cents United States dollars. What will be the greatest cost of Dogecoin in future amazingly, up to $1.26 United States dollars will Dogecoin cost expect.